What is up, YouTube? Mark Hicks coming at you with another video. We got a new release, so I thought I might pop up, you know? I'm not really a fan of these boxes. I miss when 11s had the, you know, the cool box, little pull-out tab, you know, the little... whatever. I'm sounding like an old head. The Legend Blue 11s. There's probably a lot of videos on these, so I'm not gonna bore you too much. I just kind of wanted to look at the fact that it's been 10 years since we got this shoe. I have my original, I can't really say original, but I got my original 2014 pair. Got these my last year in high school, was very excited about them. They're still in pretty good condition, I would say. I mean, they probably haven't been worn that much. I do not wear them that much. But it's crazy to think that these, the old ones, 2014, are selling for more than the new ones. And I mean, in terms of the differences, you'll see kind of, you can tell the cut of the shoe. This is kind of more flat up at the top, to whereas this kind of dips a little bit, you know. So they cut them a little different, but I mean, there's really not that many crazy differences. This is an old pair, so it's kind of hard to tell with old and new. But for whatever reason, these are about 70, you know, not that much. It's not nothing crazy. People thought the price change was going to be way different, because I'm pretty sure like a couple weeks ago or a couple months ago, if you were trying to get an old pair of Legend Blues, they were running for like $350, and now I think they've dropped to like $280, and then these, some of these pairs are, you know, sitting right around retail. So I mean, there's really no crazy differences. I wouldn't tell if it was somebody asked me, because this happens almost every release. Anytime they drop a new shoe, it just happened with the cements. Somebody will, at least one person will ask me, is this better than the one that just dropped, or should I go buy the old pair? Which I'm not really certain why you see that a shoe is re-releasing and it makes you want to go get the old pair. Maybe you just want to be like, I got the old one, I don't got y'all's. Like, cause I did the same thing with these. But I already had these. I didn't have to go search for them. But maybe that's a thing. I don't know. I don't know. But I wouldn't tell somebody, yeah, go get the old Legend Blues for more money than what you could get the new ones for. Like, I just don't get it. The new ones look pretty nice if you're asking me. It's a nice shoe though. I mean, I'm not gonna cap. Old one. Old one. New one. You can see that 2-3 a little bit better. That 2-3 is more like, you know, I don't know, it's a little bit more bold. Legend Blue 11s, I mean, you really can't beat it. It's just, you know. Some 12s just released today. I might show those in the videos too, because I like 12s. So, I like those. But yeah, that is the Legend Blues. Old ones a little bit more expensive than the new ones, but I would cop the new ones. We'll leave it at that.